We love City Island. It's a wonderful beachy community. I was born in the early 70s on City Island, and when you're born on City Island, you're called a clam digger. But when you come to City Island, you move here, and you live here, you're called a mussel sucker.
Is there any other status? Like if I come here twice a week, can I be like a crab eater?
We might be able to
Crab
induct
Shanty.
you into some kind of
What can we give her a cat? We gotta give them a category.
It's a big deal to be a clam digger or a mussel sucker.
It's a special pride.
I mean, you can taste that local pride in the cooking and in the food. The chef, I mean, making this dish and putting it together, he has so much pride for the taste, you know, just that unapologetic garlic. This is and yet somehow still in the date night area of garlic. All right, so this is like 3/4 of a pound of pasta.
This is 2 pounds of pasta.
2 pounds?
It's a lot of pasta.
You're eating like half a pound, 3/4 of a pound of pasta each person.
Yes, each person.
And that's a normal, I mean, that's a normal serving.
That's normal.
We're gonna start with just, you know, the usual, like some king crab. And then what do we have here? Hard shell crabs.
The blue crab.
The blue crabs with the, and that just goes on top. And wait a minute, this is a lot. Has anybody eaten this, just one person?
You gotta show you the container we put it for this one.
How it's so big? So have you ever gotten a doggy bag like this? Oh my goodness. You know, people forget that marinara sauce, marinara means from the sea. So this is a true marinara and an Italian feast.
So I see you ladies ordered a little bit of food, the Italian feast.
Now, how long have you been working here? Like 2 years?
Yeah, almost. No, more like 39. Yes, I was 5 when I started.
39 years. She came with the building.
We're like family.
From our cook to the waitresses and our managers, they are our extended family.
So how did you two end up working together?
Well, we're mother and daughter.
Well, that helps.
Yeah. My husband created the Crab Shanty.
No, well, it started in
There's already an argument. I'm just gonna sit here.
Sam Chernin, who also owns a couple of other restaurants on City Island.
By the way, pass the garlic bread.
Sure.
Okay.
And Sammy had Crab Shanty and
Sorry, go on.
gave my stepfather a shot at taking over this restaurant.
And is that how this garlic bread came about?
Garlic bread has been with us since the late 70s.
Now, what's the proper etiquette? Because there's a lot going on here.
Well,
It's not just a fork and knife type
We
situation.
usually start by putting on your bib,
Are you gonna put my bib on?
of course.
Okay.
A little pampering didn't kill anyone.
I feel like I'm part of the family. Boy, that's a little tight there. What are you trying to say? She's like, enjoy your dinner. So if you don't like a guest, you just say, hey, listen, may I put your bib on? Now, how do you eat this? Seriously, like, where to begin? This is called Fix Me a Plate, so you guys.
And I will fix you a plate. I
She's
promise.
fixing me a plate. I have to tell you, I love the tomato sauce.
Thank you.
So you've been in charge for a few years now. What's it been like to take it over?
It's amazing. I mean,
Okay.
my stepfather, he has customers that come in here constantly that ask for him, and I've always worked alongside him since I was a salad girl here when I was 12 years old. So he's taught me everything that I know.
I love that. When people come here, you know, they travel here, they hear about the place, they come from the city or whatever else, what's their reaction?
They're surprised that this is the Bronx.
And we kind of take pride that I know Manhattan says it's the seaport. Nah, we are. I'm sorry.
No, I'm with it. I'm totally with it. So you have the Yankees and you're the seaport. Is that what you're saying?
Without a doubt. I love City Island.
Yes, it's a great community. It was a great community to grow up on.
This story's so good.
Yeah.
And this food's so good. I see a garlic bread spaghetti sandwich as my 2 in the morning fridge
Yes.
leftover, which I really need to stop.
That could be something.
I'm not gonna apply to work here. I'm gonna remain a patron.
Or someday, a mussel sucker.
I don't know. I mean, that's a tall order. I'm thinking I'm just gonna be like kind of a hang around lobster.